this is Felicia with Camp Cares in 31. I just wanted to come to you today to show you our enrollment kit. I've never done one of these before, so I'm just gonna jump right into it and show you what comes in our kit. So I've already opened these. I actually had to start the video over. So I'm just gonna start again. So it comes in this beautiful pink box. Has our logo displayed right here on the front, loud and proud. And these are great to keep if you have an office space or if you're gonna do events. I love to keep these for that. If not, it's also a great box just to store stuff. But I absolutely love. I love pink. So that's what your kit comes in. Alrighty. And then I've already pulled this out. Like I mentioned, I started a video a while ago and I had to start over because my alarm went off on my phone. Don't you just love that? Anyway, it comes with a large utility tote. Now this large utility tote comes in one of our new fall prints. It's the Deco Diamond. And it's great because it's got the black, the gray, the white, a taupe, and then it's got our, our signature handles here. It's just our large utility tote. It does come with an icon on here. It's in our hot pink, and it says, I love 31. And everything comes nice and neat in there. And it also comes with all the business supplies that you need to get started with your business. The first thing that you'll notice in there is it comes with your catalogs. It comes with a set of 25 current catalogs, and these are great to hand out if you're going to be doing home parties or catalog parties. It comes in the kit, so you don't have to purchase those additional. Later on, as your business gets started and you need new catalogs, of course, you can always order more. Then it comes with a folder here. This folder just kind of welcomes you to the company. It comes with a little flyer here that explains everything that's inside of your kit. It gives you the names, it tells you what they are, it tells you how much they retail for. So this is a great little pamphlet to get you started and let you introduce you to 31 if you're not familiar and kind of go over everything for you. Then you'll see here you've got like a jumpstart guide. It walks you through the business. It helps you tell you where to get started, and these are just great because sometimes we just don't know where to start. So this is great that it actually walks you right through it. So when you get your kit, go through this. This is great information. It's great information so you don't feel overwhelmed, and it welcomes you to the company and tells you what you need to do to get started. So this is a great addition to your kit here. Then you'll see that you get a good big packet here. Now I also got some of the seasonal guides in my kit. Good morning from our baby. You'll get your seasonal guides if there's any. Then you'll get your opportunity flyers, and then you'll get some order blanks. So everything that you need to get started with your business is right in this packet here. So no additional purchases required. You'll also get your hostess envelopes. So when you get your hostess packets ready, you just throw them in here and then you stick them in the mail, or you hand them to your hostess if you're doing it in person. So I love that everything that you need to get started is included in your kit. Now back in the product, what you're interested in. This is our large utility tote. Now these have been around forever. These are one of our most popular products, and they are just so versatile. I love these for storing your linens, for storing your seasonal clothing. If you take your winter clothes out, put your summer clothes in, vice versa. These are a great way to store them. They hold comforters and sheets and pillowcases really, really well. So if you need something for that or extra quilts, these are great for that. Your kit also comes with a top-a-tote, which is a lid for your large utility tote. You'll see it's a clear PVC with our beautiful canvas. It's in black, so it coordinates really nicely with your bag here. They have little bungee, like elastic ends, and then you'll see they've got slits here. Peekaboo. And then you just stick your strap right through there. She wants to join the video. And then you just put this in here. So this is great because it will allow you to see what's inside. it'll also protect your things. So if you keep things stored in here, if you're taking this to the beach, to the park, camping, it will protect your items and it will let you see what's inside. So I love that, especially if you get a bunch of them and everything's in there. You want to know what's inside with having to dig everything out. Good morning.
Mommy, no time. It got timer coming up.
I have a timer coming up?
Yeah.
Okay. Go get your water.
I'm going to bring your phone and see what the timer is.
Okay. Then you will get a zip top organizing utility tote. Now these are one of our most famous, or one of our most popular bags for so many reasons, because you can use it for so many things. It has 3 slip pockets on one side. It has a bungee pocket on the other. 2 pockets here. Just go ahead and push stop. It says that you need to go get your water. Go, 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 go. Go get your water, baby. It's in the room. And then it's got another pocket here. Then you'll see it does have a zipper on the top. So it keeps your items nice and secure. So if you use this for a diaper bag, these are great for sippy cups, binkies, stuffies, your keys, whatever you need to keep right there handy super fast. So I love this bag, and I love this print. This is in the origami pop. It has the orange, the black, the gray, a light pink, and a true white. So this is a beautiful, beautiful bag. Then you get a fold and file, which coordinates really, really well. So if you take your work home with you, or if you're a realtor and you have to have paperwork with you, if you have a home business and you carry paperwork to and from the office, nurse, teacher, this is just these are amazing to have. So this is a fold and file. You'll see here it's got 2 bungee mesh pockets, and then it's just open here. So it'll hold your files, your business files, really, really well with that. But they give it to you to show you they coordinate and they work perfect together, because it just goes right in there. And now you can carry your office files to and from work, in the car, right in there. It fits like a glove. It's just amazing. And then of course you want to zip it up and close it, you can do that as well. So if you're a nurse that visits patients outside the office, you can take this with you. So you don't have to carry your files and everything with you, be fumbling with that. Just throw it in one of these and there you go. So I love that bag. Now we're sticking with that origami pop print, and this is a zipper pouch, and it comes in your kit as well. So the zipper pouches are really nice because they are very, very versatile. It comes with a very nice wipeable interior. I love these for keeping diapers and wipes, a change of clothes, your children's electronics, crayons, coloring books, your socks, and things when you're traveling. It will hold so many things. It's so versatile, and I just have so many of these. I have one in my car to hold my shopping essential storage totes. I have one in the diaper bag with the baby's diapers and wipes. I always keep one with the kids' coloring books, like I mentioned. I keep them when I travel. I keep the kids' clothes separated with these, their socks and their undergarments in there. Stay over there, honey. Thank you. So that is a zipper pouch, and it comes in your kit too. The next thing that you'll get, sticking with the kids theme, is a cinch sack. This comes in our charcoal crosshatch, and then it's got this adorable fox on here. And it's beautiful. I love that icon. It has a zipper in the front, and then of course it's just, like one of your backpacks. You cinch it shut and you stick it on. I like these for traveling as well. We keep one we have one with my son's swim. When we go to swim class, we have your towel in there, and your shoes, and your brush, and your comb. And then we keep them when we travel. We put our laundry in here. So first of all, I keep the kids, they each have one, and I put all my sons in his, my daughters in hers, And my husband, you know, when we get there, everything's organized. So I know whose stuff, when I'm looking for, I know exactly where it is. You stay right there. And then he says it's cool. And then when we're there, I take the clothes out, I hang them up, and then as things get dirty, I stick them in here. So when I get home, I have all the kids' clothes in one or in two, however many clothes we have. And then when it's time to do laundry, I just empty it into the washer. And then that's, you know, I have one with my husband's dirty clothes, and then I have one with my dirty clothes. So when I get home, it's really easy to do laundry. Everything's separated, and then I just dump it right in there. So, and these hold a lot. I'll tell you guys, I can stuff this thing with a week's worth of clothes, depending on the size, sometimes 2 weeks of clothes. So you could even do it different. You could put all your socks and all your dirty, you know, undergarments in one. However you do your laundry, when you're traveling, separate it that way. So when you get home, all you have to do is throw it in the wash. Here, you can play with that. The next thing that you get is another one of a product that I would say is very versatile and that you can use for your children. It's our Littles Carry-All Caddy. Now, I love these because they are very versatile. Ooh. This one is cute. It is. It comes in our Forest Friends print. It's adorable. See if I can get a good view for you. It's got owls, it's got foxes, bears, raccoons, and these are just so cute for so many things. My children use them for their toys. You can put a box of Kleenex in here. We have so many prints and so many options that you can use. You can, yeah, there does have deers. You're right, I did forget. Has a pocket on the front. I have one for my kids. It has the Leapfrog books and then the little reader up front. So you can use them, like I said, for toys. They hold a lot of your cars, right? Sure does. We put his cars in there. It's great so they can carry their own toys around up and down the stairs, in the car, wherever they need to go. It's also great for like feminine products. You know, you can put all your creams and things in those. So I absolutely love those. They're so versatile. You can use them in the office to organize. You put some little cups inside and then put your pens and your staplers, whatever you need to do in there. The next product that we have is an All About the Benjamins wallet. And this comes in our Deep Merlot. I love this faux pebbled, it's a pebbled faux leather. It's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So this comes in your kit. Inside, if you're not familiar with an All About the Benjamins wallet, it has 6 slots here. It has a flap here.
Or you can call it in this.
Or you can put it in this, he says. It has a gusseted... Okay, but you have to stop now, okay? Because Mommy's got to finish. It has a pocket here, a zipper pocket here, another pocket here, a hidden pocket here, and then more card slots. So you have plenty and plenty and plenty of room to put your cards in there. And then it zips nice and shut, and you can really stuff these things and it won't bust on you. Your phones will fit in here. It's great. So another option that goes with this is our wristlet strap. The wristlet strap goes really well with this. Let me go ahead and rip this off. And it goes on our D-ring on our wallet. So if you are one of those people that likes to just grab your wallet and go, now you can. You can just throw it in there and they match. Perfect. It's the same color. If you want to strap this onto your stroller, you just pop the button here, boop, stick it through the stroller handle, and then pop it closed. It also allows you to put it in your purse, put this through one of your rings, and it's easy to find your wallet. It just keeps it right nice in place. So that is our All About the Benjamin wallet, and this is our wristlet. So that comes with it. I'm almost done here. Oh, I forgot. You get some mini catalogs too. So you get 40 here, so you can hand those out to your friends and family and anyone who might be interested in your products. The next product, I love this. It's a blast from our past. It's our Retro Metro. This is in our twill stripe. Beautiful canvas bag. If you're familiar with 31, you knew these were around back in a while back, and they haven't been available for a while, but they're back now, and I am so excited because I absolutely love this bag. It's a great weekender bag. It's a great diaper bag. It's a great on-the-go bag. It's a great purse. It comes with a pocket inside. and it's got, it's just so much room. And it's got a clip here on the end, so if you need a place to put your keys, comes right, keep them right handy and throw them in the pocket there. I love, 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 love this bag. Actually have people get in the kit just for this bag. It's amazing. Here you go. Why don't you put your stuffed animals in there? The next item that you get is one of our statement pillowcases. You'll get it in this beautiful print. I love this. It's a screen print. Our pillowcases come with screen print, and they also come with embroidery options. So this is great for the fall. Just love that. Sit down. All right, so that's great. That pillowcase comes in there. That's an 18 by 18. You'll also get your product tags to tell you what products we offer. So as you build your collection, you can add these to your products or just keep it on a ring and show your customers like that. You'll also get some fabric swatches that'll tell you what the prints are and let your customers feel and see some of our prints. So that's great to have as an option without having to purchase something in every print. So there, that's our enrollment kit. I hope that gave you a great idea of what you get. It's a great value for what you're getting, and it's a great way to get started on your business. You have everything that you need. So if you're interested, I'm going to put the link down below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If it helped you get a better idea of what comes in our kit, give it a thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Click the little notification bell. You'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you have any questions, feel free to send me a message. I love hearing from you guys. I love you. Have a great day, and bless you.